Hello everyone! Today we are diving into something extra cute. We are drawing Kuromi in a charming Hello Kitty costume. This is going to be so much fun blending these two iconic characters in one adorable piece of art. So let's start. Let's start from Kuromi's face. So we're going to start from here. And we're going to curve up. And make like a potato shape. As you know, Kuromi's face, how it looks like. And like that. Okay, now we will make another layer of a circle for her, I don't know what to call it. It's like a top for like Kuromi's head basically. So we're going to make curved, circle, an oval shaped circle. Okay, now we will draw like a ribbon, like a bow on Kuromi's neck. So we're going to make a circle right over here, and we're going to make, you know how bows look like? Bows? Not bow and arrow. I'm talking about the cute bow, like a flower. Yes, like that. Now we will draw, I used to call these petals bow petals. I don't know, but if I have a mistake what they are called, do tell me in the comment section below. I need more knowledge. Okay, yes, like that. We're going to make a detailed style. Like that, and also on the bow, some details, because details is my favorite thing in drawing, because it makes your drawing look more prettier and preppier. Okay, now let's draw Kuromi's face. So we're going to draw a circle, a nice looking circle, and Kuromi's, I don't know what, eyelashes basically. So now let's color in for Kuromi eye. Yes. And we're going to make another eye. Come right across to draw the second eye. And make sure it's the perfect size. Because if we don't do it, make one bigger, make one smaller, it's not going to look that attractive. So if you want your drawing to look attractive, make it the perfect size. Make it good looking. So I was just perfecting my shape. And now let's draw Kuromi's nose. Kuromi has a nose like my melody, but it's just a different color. And also Kuromi's evil smile. Not evil. She's actually evil, but not right now. Okay, now let's make the head, like another layer of head of Kuromi, but it's going to be a Hello Kitty. It's blended. Two iconic characters are blended, so that's why we're going to draw ears on Kuromi. Kuromi has ears, but we're going to make a different type of ear. So we're going to make a line like that. And this is Kuromi plus Hello Kitty mix. So ears, Kuromi's ears have a circle on them. So we're going to make that. It's so creative, right? Turning like two characters into one. And we're gonna come across to the other side like so, and make the same ear. So a line going up and keep some space for the circle. Come down. Okay, now let's make a circle on it. We will not miss the circle. It's very elegant. It's so important for us. Yes. I mean, that looks good, right? Okay, now let's continue making her face. Let's complete it. Like that. Yes. Now let's make, you know how ears look like? Like they have like another triangle inside them. So I want to make a triangle and it's hidden by a bow. So let's do something like that, like a smiley face without another upside down smiley face, creepy smiley face without two eyes. And now I'm making bow petals, bow petals, I don't know, whatever these are called. Okay, yes. Now let's make the second ear. It's the same. We have to repeat the same step. An upside down V, a circle in it, and bow petals. Yes. Now we are going to make Kuromi's collar. I don't know what to call it, but it's something like this. It's something like that, and it has these type of things to make it look cuter, like more kawaii. I've never heard of that word before. Okay. So we're making the same thing for the other, let's call this a dress, like a cute little top for our cutie little Kuromi. Yes. Now what we will draw next is Kuromi's foot. So we're going to draw a big circle. A very big circle, because Kuromi's feet are big. Not that big, actually. And like a car tire. How big a car tire is? Not in real life, in drawings. So, that big. Foot. Okay, now let's draw paws on our Kuromi. So we're going to draw a circle in the middle. And 3 smaller circles for her fingers, I'll say. Yeah, fingers. And also on this side. A big circle and 2 more smaller circles. Yes, like that. We're going to connect it. Yes, okay, now we'll make Kuromi's, let's make her foot. Her hands. We already did her foot, so we're going to make her hands. We're going to come down from right over here, and we're going to make her fingers that we already did, and also come down from this side, make wiggly lines for her fingers, and connect to the other side. And we're going to connect this triangular thing right here. Also here. Okay, now we will draw Kuromi's tail. So we're going to draw a potato, an eggplant shape. Kind of like an eggplant. I've never ate an eggplant before. I don't know how it's like. So, Kuromi is a cat in this drawing. So, we're going to draw cat whiskers. So, yes, cats have whiskers. So, Kuromi is a cat in this. So, whiskers, 3 whiskers. Also on this side. 2, 3. Yay! Cute Kuromi. Okay, now let's make Kuromi's skull. Let's say she's wearing like a costume. So her skull's a bit hidden. It's on her head. So, you know how her skull's like beep boop, beep boop, beep. Yes. Like so. Now let's make her skull's evil eyes. Not evil. They're sweet now. They're not evil anymore. Yes. Like that. And our drawing is completed. Thanks for drawing along with me today. If you liked my drawing, make sure to subscribe for more fun and creative drawing tutorials. See you next time.